Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin right now. So you can see that a few sessions ago our expectation that market should drop lower has been completed. So market indeed has dropped, has broken this triangle down to the downside. Trend has shifted bearish. That was also kind of the bearish dynamic pressure. But within the two sessions, market taking the pause in a downward direction. Although the context on the daily chart is still valid, so we have the grabbers in place that still are valid and suggest the taking out of these lows. We still have the ABCD pattern in progress, but here market is taking some pause and some fluctuation inside of this huge candle is still possible. So if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see what really has happened recently. So with this spike down, here yesterday we have discussed this minor triangle and we said that probably market should broken it down because also the bearish dynamic pressure exists and market should taken out of these lows. But the manner how it could happen, it's not definite when you are talking about the possible downward action. It could be the direct breakout, market could continue move lower, or it could be the washing result as it has happened recently. So indeed, market has completed this short-term setup because the triangle has been broken down and market has taken out of these lows, but it has happened in the manner of the washing rinse. So market just grabs stops below these areas if there were any and turns up again. So this price behavior usually has the bearish sentiment in the short-term perspective. It means that the kind of the upside continuation could happen of this action. It doesn't mean that overall bearish context will be destroyed by it, but within the few sessions, market could continue move higher. And from that standpoint, there are two moments that are important in the Bitcoin. First of all, take a look at this huge range of this Bitfinex collapse. It has happened here, on 15th of October, and market still keeps price inside of this range. So no breakout has happened yet. What's more important, we could ask what the washing risk really has happened, either of these lows, but maybe the washing risk has happened of these lows, the lows of the candle, this huge candle that keeps overall price action inside, and the market hasn't shown the breakout, and it means that some upward action here could happen. That's what about the big range. In a tighter range, so take a look over here, we have another inner consolidation that market already has broken down and has completed actually the target, because the target to the downside equals the width of the consolidation. But right now market is retesting the lower border, and if it will return back inside of it, it will mean that we're going again right to the upward border of this consolidation. So when the market enters in the previously broken consolidation, the inside space of this consolidation is becoming open for the price action, and it easily could fluctuate inside of it. So if market will return right back up inside of it, it will mean that market could move higher right to the upper border of this consolidation, or even will show the upper breakout. We will see. But what we should not to do right now is to think about taking the short position. So because currently with this wash and rinse, short-term sentiment is bullish. So it means that on the hourly chart, we could wait and see for some ABCD pattern. So it could start either from the 30% support, or maybe market will show deeper action to the 618. Anyway, you could watch for bullish patterns here, and we could get the kind of the ABCD pattern. For example, based on this retracement, the COP target right now stands at 64 even. So also we could get to the OP that stands in higher, but currently just watch for this price action. So those of you who are watching for taking the short position, it's not the time yet to do this. Those who are trading on the intraday charts and searching chance to go long, you could deal with this ABCD pattern because it's currently true. It seems that some at least minor upward continuation should happen on the Bitcoin.